Picture this. You get a raise, a real one, 10% more than last year. You feel great. You think, this is it. Now I will finally start saving. Now I will build real wealth. But 3 months later, something strange happens. You are spending more than before. Your lifestyle quietly expanded. New apartment, better phone, more dining out, and somehow you still have nothing saved. Sound familiar? This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is the reason why most people who earn more never actually get richer. Here's the truth nobody told you. Your salary is not the problem. Your relationship with money is the problem. Because here's what actually builds wealth. It is not how much you earn, it is how much you keep and how hard that money works for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your salary alone will never make you rich, and more importantly, what actually will. Let us start with a simple question. What is a salary? A salary is trading your time for money. You work 8 hours, they pay you. You work more hours, they pay you more. But here's the fundamental problem with that model. Time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day, which means your salary has a ceiling, a hard ceiling you cannot break, no matter how skilled you are. And that ceiling gets even worse when you factor in taxes. If you earn $50,000 per year, you're not actually taking home $50,000. After taxes and deductions, you might take home $32,000 or $35,000. So right away, you're starting with much less than you think. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The wealthy do not get rich from salaries. They get rich from assets. What is an asset? An asset is something that makes money while you sleep, while you're eating dinner, while you're on vacation, while you're doing absolutely nothing. Stocks, real estate, a business, dividends, these are assets. And here's the critical difference. A salary stops the moment you stop working. An asset keeps paying you whether you work or not. Think about this. If you earn $3,000 per month from a salary and you get sick for 3 months, your income stops completely. But if you own assets generating $3,000 per month, nothing stops. The money keeps coming. That's the difference between earned income and passive income. And that difference is everything. But here's what most people don't realize. You do not need to be rich to start building assets. It starts with one simple habit: paying yourself first. Every time money comes in, before rent, before food, before anything else, a percentage goes directly into building assets. Even 10% is enough to start. That 10% goes into index funds, into a retirement account, into investments that grow quietly in the background. Here's the math. If you invest just $200 per month starting at age 25 and the market returns 8% per year on average, by age 65, you'll have roughly $600,000. Most of that is not your contributions. It's compound growth doing all the heavy lifting. $200 per month. That's just $6 to $7 per day, the price of a coffee and a snack. But investing is not enough. You also need to stop the leak. The leak is lifestyle inflation. Every time your income goes up, your spending goes up by the same amount, and the gap between what you earn and what you keep stays exactly the same. The solution is simple but uncomfortable. When your income goes up, your lifestyle should not go up at the same rate. The extra money goes directly into assets, not a bigger apartment, not a newer car. Live at your current level. Invest the difference. Here's the real path to building wealth. It's not a bigger salary, it's a better system. Step 1. Pay yourself first, automatically. Step 2. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Step 3. Let compound growth do the work. Step 4. Control lifestyle inflation every single time your income grows. That's it. No shortcuts, no secret strategies, just a system that works quietly over time. Here's the truth most people only discover too late. The people who retire wealthy are rarely the highest earners in the room. They're the most consistent investors in the room. Because real wealth is not made in the earning, it's made in the keeping and the growing. Your salary is just the starting point. What you do with it is everything. So here's your challenge. This week, set up one automatic investment. Even $20, even $10, just start. Because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Comment Asset Builder below if you're ready to start.